change practice is really important. Explain to us what these inserts are.
Yeah, it is important for us because we do long times in the car, like 3 hours. In Le Mans, like 3 hours and a half, so we need to be really comfortable. So we do inserts. So obviously Ricardo is the basic because it's the bigger. And we have here the Bruno Senna one.
It's my seat, so it's molded to my back. It's very comfortable in general. Sometimes takes a few tries to make an insert. Philippe is a bit shorter than me,
yeah,
as you can see.
Yep.
So
and I'm just missing a little bit, so I just put this little thin insert. As you can see, this one is much bigger because the difference from Ricky to Bruno is bigger.
Yeah.
And then for me to Bruno, it's just a thin one, and you have a little this part that it's almost slipping off, but it's just enough to hold me on. And it's just mainly for the lower back. You can see the shape of my body. And I just like more support on the lumbar parts for the braking zone. Yeah, so this makes me comfortable. Sometimes it kind of looks kind of ugly, but as long as we are comfortable in, we're fine.
Well, it's very important to keep doing the driver change practices because each time you drive a different car, sometimes you do different procedures. In this car, there's a specific procedure that you need to follow. You have to rearm the fuel pump so that you make sure that the guys can fill the whole car in, the full tank. And also, it's a very tight car, so it's really hard to get in and out. So we really have to practice that a lot. And I think it's what kept us always in the running. We never had any issues during our changes in the pit stops, and really helped us on the championship fight.